Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can add soundboard to Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Discord app on your laptop or PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now choose any one of your servers and open its settings. Then select the soundboard section to upload a new effect. Click on Upload, choose the sound effect, set its name and emoji and click on Upload. After uploading, go to the voice channel to try out your new soundboard. And that's how you can add soundboard to Discord. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.